Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with the graph access endpoints, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the graph's official website. Locate the documentation section in the main menu. Click on the Getting Started section to familiarize yourself with the platform. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account to access the necessary dashboards. Once logged in, find the API key generation option in your account settings. Generate a new API key by following the prompts. Make sure to copy the API key to your clipboard for later use. Next, open your preferred code editor or development environment. Create a new project directory for your application. Initialize a new project using your chosen programming language. Install any required libraries or dependencies for accessing APIs. In your code file, import the necessary libraries to make HTTP requests. Use a secure method to store your API key, such as environment variables. Write a function that will handle the authentication process. Inside this function, set up the request headers to include your API key. Make an initial call to the graph's access endpoint to verify your authentication. Check for a successful response to ensure everything is working correctly. If the response is successful, proceed to implement your query logic. Use GraphQL queries to fetch the data you need from the graph. Test your queries to ensure they return the expected data. Implement error handling to manage potential issues with authentication or data fetching. Finally, review your code for any improvements or best practices. Save your project and prepare to run it to see your authenticated requests in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.